My artist is Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo was born on July 6, 1907 in Coyoacan, Mexico. She was born with a German father and a Native American mother. She was in a bus accident at 18, which permanently affected her general health for the rest of her life. She was known for her self-portraits that symbolize varieties of themes like identity, the human body, and even death. She was also married to other famous muralist Diego Rivera. In her self-portraits, she mainly used realism, surrealism, and fantasy mixed with the Mexican culture to create magical realism. This first painting is called Two Fridas and is located in the Museo de Arte Moderno in Mexico City. It's a self-portrait of two Frida Kahlos after she divorced her husband Diego Rivera. The one on her left has her heart bleeding, which symbolizes the heartbreak, and the one on the right is intact, which shows her normal self. Both surrealism and magical realism can be seen here, with all the organs and arteries out of her body instead of inside where it should be. The second painting is called Henry Ford and is located in the Dolores Homero Museum in Mexico. It was made, she painted this after her miscarriage at the Henry Ford Hospital. After her bus accident at 18, she lost the ability to ever have a baby. Surrealism and magical realism are found here because of all the baby objects that surround her. This next painting is called The Wounded Deer and is located in a museum in Houston, Texas. This is a self-portrait of herself with a deer body. This painting is to show her failed operation she had back in 1946, which put her in a bad physical state. This relates to magical realism because of how she shows how she feels like a deer who is getting shot by arrows and suffers severe pain. This next painting is called Without Hope and is located in the collection of the Dolores Homero in Mexico City. Frida grew up with a lack of appetite and because of that was given a diet of pureed food. This relates to magical realism because she wanted to describe her nasty, forced diet by putting things like skulls and organs in the pipe that's feeding her. This next painting is called Live Life and is located in the Frida Kahlo Museum in Mexico City. This is actually one of her rare, actually happy paintings, and also her last before she died. She used bright colors and fruits to show the good in life. And this relates to magical realism because of how she uses the fruits to explain how life is and to not take it for granted. And this is my works cited page. Thank you.